Soil erosion is the wearing away of the land's topsoil by natural agents like water and wind, or by human activities such as tillage and deforestation. This process can be slow and gradual or accelerated, leading to the loss of fertile topsoil, which is crucial for agriculture and ecosystem.
In Barabo, Valencia City, Bukidnon, farming is more than a livelihood. It is a lifeline of families, communities, and generations. But our land faces a silent threat: soil erosion. Each year, valuable topsoil is washed away, weakening crop production, damaging our waterways, and reducing the land's ability to support future harvests.
One of the most effective solutions is already within our reach: multi-cropping. By planting different crops side by side, we create a natural shield that protects the soil from being carried away by wind and rain.
Multi-cropping provides continuous ground cover. Each layer of roots hold the soil firmly, reduce runoff, and improve water absorption. Different plants contribute different nutrients, making the land healthier and more productive over time.
In Barabo, this practice strengthens both our lands and our communities. It supports better harvest, lowers farming risk, and increases resilience against climate change. By choosing multi-cropping, we are choosing sustainability, a farming method that protects our soil, secures our food supply, and safeguards the future of our farms.
Together, let us champion soil conservation, support multi-cropping, protect our land, ensure a brighter future for Barabo, Valencia City, Bukidnon. Healthy soil, strong community, sustainable future. Thank you.